Hello, little learners! Let's play with some amazing nocturnal animals. Did you know that 70% of animals are nocturnal? That means they are most active at night when we're all fast asleep. Isn't that cool? These animals have super senses, like sharp eyesight, amazing hearing, and a strong sense of smell that help them explore the nighttime world. The night is perfect for these creatures because it allows them to avoid predators and hunt for food with less competition. So, are you ready to meet some of these nighttime friends? Let's go! Owl.
Owl. Owl. Bat.
Bat. Bat. Bat. Raccoon.
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 Fox.
Fox. Fox.
Fox. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Leopard.
Leopard. Leopard.
Leopard. Hyena.
Hyena. Hyena.
Hyena. Wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf. Pangolin.
Pangolin. Pangolin.